Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is a 2019 Honda Ridgeline Sport. This truck will have keyless entry as well as remote start. You will have an econ mode for fuel efficient driving. Steering wheel controls, be able to cycle through your media sources and control the volume. Be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands. You'll be able to have USB and Bluetooth devices, as well as AM and FM radios. Dual climate control, USB and power port, and in the center console you'll have an additional USB and power port. You have a place to store your sunglasses. You'll also have the built-in HomeLink garage door openers. You'll have the all-weather floor mat here in the back as well. You can also lift up the seat for when you need additional storage, air compartment. You'll be able to slide larger cargo in the back here. You'll have a capless fuel filler, and you'll have this signature Ridgeline tailgate, complete with a backup camera. You'll also have the release here to be able to open the back up. You'll also have the built-in storage compartment in the trunk. You'll have your carpeted floor mats, spare tire, you also have the tow hitch. Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda. This is the 2019 Honda Ridgeline Sport. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.